Good morning, public speakers. Happy Thanksgiving week. Instructions for remote learning this week. Fairly simple. Okay, we are in week 13 of the course. Three things we're going to work on this week. Okay, we are going to first read chapter 11, Putting Words to Work. The three things we're going to focus on out of chapter 11: identify the power of language to shape perceptions, create feelings, unite listeners, and move them to action. Central thought this week is words matter. How we use them, the words we select, they lean in and really support the meaning of the message. We're going to implement the 6 C's of using language effectively, and then implement how to use specific techniques of language to magnify your voice. This is all in preparation for your final speech, your ceremonial speech. Okay, so here's what you need to do. Read chapter 11, and then there is a quiz and a forum discussion. Please note that this indicates week 14. We are technically a week ahead because we did not have fall break, okay? So we're in week 13, but we're completing week 14 work. So just follow it as it reads. Do not let this throw you off. You have your quiz. And when you open up your forum discussion, it's going to guide you to, let me bring up my screen here. It's going to guide you to watch a short TED Talk, 6 minutes in length. Then in approximately 1 to 2 paragraphs for each question, respond to these 3 questions. So you will write 1 to 2 paragraphs for each question. And then the expectation is to reply to 2 of your classmates in 1 to 2 paragraphs. Okay, please be in touch if you have any questions. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.